Alright guys, so you're going to need a few items. One is clippers. You can use this kind, or if you've got like this in your tool drawer, you can even use the clippers on the long nose pliers if you need. Just some kind of clipper to be able to cut the line. I'm using 100-pound today, and that's why I'm using clippers. It'll dull the scissors really quickly if you try to do it. Plus, it's really hard to cut with scissors. So, again, clippers. I'm using 100-pound. You could use 50 if you want a smaller eye. I want pretty large eyes. You can see the size here. This will make 100-pound will make that size eye. Also, you'll need some kind of metal plier to hold it. So I've got some forceps here. They're curved. They don't have to be curved. In fact, it's probably better to not have them curved, but this is what I've got. So some forceps, or you could even use the tip of a needle nose. The problem with the needle nose is it makes a wider eye, as you can see. It's a much larger eye than comparably to the forceps. So if you're looking for something with more space in between, then use that. If not, then the forceps is what you're going to want to probably use. It's really simple. You also need a lighter, and if you want to color them like I did there, some nail polish. This is black nail polish. I generally just use black for eyes. Anyway, that's that. This is the fly that I'm making with this. You can see the eyes there on the top. And I'll have a video coming out soon on how to tie that. That's dragonfly nymph. You want to start by taking the forceps. You want to leave a little bit of space coming out, as you can see there. And then clip off about the same amount of space on the other side. There is quicker ways of doing this if you're going to make multiple, but this is the easiest way, okay? And then we're just going to burn either side. Now do this in a well-ventilated area, because this is not good to breathe. So maybe go burn these outside. Let it dry before the next step. As you can see, it's still a little bit wet. Okay, and once that's dry, then you come in with the nail polish. Just cover the tip. And by the way, use some forceps that you're probably not going to take out fishing. Some old forceps. I let that kind of start to dry a little bit, but it won't fully dry. You can just drop it right onto your napkin there and let that dry. And then you'll end up with something like that once it dries. Alright, so as you can see, they're not perfect. It's not fully covered by the nail polish, but they work. Once you tie them in, really can't tell the difference between that and the bought ones.